Hi, my name is Boris Polyakov and I represent Adena Limited and AREC at ISE 2023. Today I would like to show you our media stations. They are lecture capture devices that allow you to record any video and audio source that you can connect to it, and they work from 2 to 4 channels. So you are able to quickly switch everything about your video, including the layouts, including the video backgrounds, and save them all, as well as presets. So change the backgrounds like I mentioned just now and save them into themes. These are the presets that allow you to automatically switch this as you are recording the video. So everything that you do can be switched as you are producing the video. Now these media stations, they are available in different shapes and formats. So for example, this device that we were just looking at, KL-3T, it has an inbuilt display and HDMI and network inputs. This one, the white box, it's called LS-US2, and the focus is on NDI-HX and USB video inputs. As for this one, this is LS-860, and that supports NDI-HX and also multiple HDMI inputs. As you can see, this station right now is connected to a touch display, and then the functions that I've demonstrated on the touchscreen station, they're exactly the same. The station is also able to manage your video production as you are recording and as you are streaming. So that is about it. If you would like to know more information about these devices, please visit us at www.a-dena.com and also visit www.arec.com for more information. Thank you very much.